Create AI-powered apps without coding. Hey creators and tech enthusiasts! Imagine building your own AI-powered app without writing a single line of code. Sounds unreal, right? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can do just that. Let's dive in. Why AI-powered apps are the future. AI is no longer just for big tech companies or expert coders. Whether it's personalizing recommendations, automating workflows, or creating chatbots, AI-powered apps are transforming industries. And the best part? You don't need to be a coding genius to get started. Tools that make it possible. There are platforms out there that let you build apps with AI features, and all you need is a bit of creativity. Here are the top tools to get started. Bubble, perfect for creating web apps with drag-and-drop simplicity. Thunkable, great for building mobile apps with visual design tools. Autolo, adds AI components like chatbots or smart analytics. NLP Cloud or OpenAI API. Want conversational AI? Just integrate these tools. No-code AAI, tailored for creating AI models. Without coding. Demo time, let's build something. Let me show you just how simple it is. Today, we'll build a basic app that uses AI to recommend recipes based on the ingredients you have. Step 1. Design the app interface. Add buttons, text boxes, and images. Step 2. Connect an AI API like OpenAI to handle the smart recommendations. Step 3. Test it. Enter your ingredients, and voila! Recipe ideas instantly. In just minutes, we've built an AI-powered app without a single line of code. How cool is that? Benefits of no-code platforms. 1. Why go no-code? Here are some reasons. 2. Cost-effective. Skip hiring a developer. 3. Speed. Launch apps in days, not months. 4. Accessibility. Anyone can do it, from business owners to students. Tips for success. Before you start, here are some quick tips. 1. Clearly define your app's purpose. 2. Use pre-built templates to save time. 3. Don't hesitate to experiment with AI APIs. It's easier than you think. So, what's stopping you? Start building your dream AI app today, and who knows, it might just change the world. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which app idea you're excited to build. Until next time, keep creating magic with technology. Bye!